everybody, I'm Yvonne from Step by Step Farming. I want to give you a tip of the week. So this tip of the week is, how do you peel your ginger? Now, I know that sounds kind of strange, but I realize I've been doing it wrong my whole life. This is not how you would peel the ginger. So you see that that is not how you would properly peel the ginger. I guess I may be the only one, but I realized after watching a cooking show that you actually use a spoon to peel the ginger without wasting any of the ginger. It gets only the peel. Mm-hmm. I've been doing this wrong my whole life. And I had no idea. Ta-da. For those of you all that don't know the medicinal properties of ginger root, it contains something called gingerol. And that is super beneficial because it's good for nausea. If you have digestion problems, maybe your gut is not feeling too good. It's also good for colds and flu. So those are just some of the very small benefits of this. Ginger is just very medicinal and very good for your body. So whenever the next time you all decide to peel a ginger root, do it the right way and use a spoon. Thanks.